This is my trash can.
Trash.
Okay, so for this video, I went to this weird Japanese dollar store called Daiso. They have a lot of weird shit there. I spent like $20 on like a bunch of like weird stuff. Not makeup though. Daiso does have makeup, but this one didn't have a lot of makeup. My original plan was to do full face using Daiso makeup, but that kind of backfired when I went there and they literally didn't have any makeup at all.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So I just got the weirdest stuff they sell at Daiso. And for anyone that's been to Daiso before or is like knows about it, you know the tea. I got some weird stuff. Like, spoiler alert, I got these. These are like inflatable tits. So like this is literally called Instant Boobs Bomba Sexy.
Dyslexia.
So I have a little vlog to include too, and I will show you that right now.
Get in, loser. We're going to Daiso.
Like, all the stores are closed. I think the mall is, like, closing down. I don't know. I mean, GameStop's still open. No, it's closed! Food court is literally just a wall. It's literally just walls. There's, like, no food anywhere. Guys, so this Hot Topic is literally 70% off everything. Like, these t-shirts are only, like, $3. Like, what?
Hump me. Fuck me. Daddy better.
There's an iCarly video game. Should I get it? Honestly though.
I'm being dead honest.
Just bought some panties for daddy, you know how it is. Cool. It's like copyrighted merchandise. I see you, beach. This is what I'm getting. Those are too small for my dog. I would get them though.
If you know.
Maybe. I'd die to watch you eat that. Oh my god. Okay, fine. Disgusting! So we went to Ninja grocery store. Now we're at Rotating Sushi. We're gonna try and get the Naruto pin. So yummy. Oh no, I dropped my chopstick.
But I have so much stuff in front of me, like, I don't even know where to start. There's no makeup, there is some skincare, there is some food, and there's some random stuff too. Alright, so the first item we're gonna play with is this Daiso brand pregnancy test. This comes with a pregnancy test. And I'm actually gonna pee on this. I'm just gonna like use this, and then while I play with the other products, we're gonna get the results from this pregnancy test. Okay, I just got this to fuck around because, y'all, it's impossible for me to get pregnant, so...
Yeah, no shit, honey!
Yes, packaging, look at this. The little pink plastic cap says Daiso on it. Woo! Okay, so my pee-pee's on there right now, and you can already kind of see it's already turning red. So we gotta leave this for a little while, and we're gonna see if I'm pregnant. So while the pregnancy test is doing its thing, I wanna play with whatever the fuck these are. So I found these in the toy aisle. These are literally like blow up boobs. I don't read Japanese, but if you look at the instructions, you literally like put them on and then they like blow up and then you like do that. What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, so these are how the boobs look. Oh my god. And on the instructions too, the guy puts on a shirt. So I'm gonna put on a shirt and then stick these bad babies on. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, that's definitely sticky. Okay, but the instructions say we gotta squeeze them and then they're gonna blow up. 1, 2, 3. What? It's not. Oh my god. Look at the before and after. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. There. Oh my god. I mean, aren't they always kind of uneven? It literally feels like there's ice water. It doesn't feel that way on the top, but there's definitely some like weird liquid inside. But I mean, are we living though?
Oh, I'm grabbing these. Oh, so they feel good.
I look like those girls, the cock destroyers.
We fucking destroyers.
I'm gonna do the rest of the video like this because I love these. The next thing I want to show you is something edible. Sean wanted me to get it.
I died to watch you eat that.
It's fucking disgusting. It's this, like, dried or cured fish. Now, I've never eaten a jack before. I don't even know what a jack is.
Don't be fucking rude.
But they look like little weird fishies. Bitch, it smells like my dog's mouth. This smells like ass. I don't even want to fucking touch it. There's still the fucking tail on it. Wait, are there bones in it?
Y'all got bones in your shit then?
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Huh. You know what, though? That's not bad. I wouldn't eat it ever again, but you know what? That ain't bad. It smells like a fucking STD.
Bye, bitch.
So the next item I got for us to play with is really weird, and it kind of made me really sad in the store when I saw it because fuck. It's this horse oil hand cream. Now, for those of you that don't really know a lot about kind of Asian skincare or like Korean skincare, horse oil, like the oil made from a horse, is very popular in Asian countries as a cosmetic product. Don't ask me why, it's just very popular there. This is a horse. Like, obviously they don't have it at, ew, it's coming out. I'm gonna do it on my arm because my arms are ashy as fuck right now. It just smells like old people. I mean, this is just lotion, but it's made out of horses. This is my trash can.
Trash.
Okay, so now let's check up on the pregnancy test. What? This must be a cheap-ass pregnancy test because it's telling me I'm fucking pregnant. You know what, though? There's only one possible person that could have gotten me pregnant. And that's God. I'm the next Virgin Mary.
Yep, that's me.
So the last two items I have, we're gonna do them together. So the first ones I'm gonna show you are these two. So these are face masks, except they're for your hands and your fucking feet. I'm gonna put these on, and then I have a pop and cook in. They're really like popular and like weird, but like you combine a bunch of stuff and you actually like make candy. So I'm gonna make candy with these on my hands and my feet. It just says like put it on your fucking feet, so okay. My feet are gonna be fucking soft as shit after this. Y'all see that? Oh my god, this is literally so wet, I can't. Oh my god. Ugh, ew.
Massive legend here.
It's like slimy and not in a good way. Okay, so the hand and the feet masks are on. This feels disgusting. So this is our pop and cookin'. So there's like this weird child, scientist, whatever. And there's this weird pink fluffy monster that's trying to eat him. Or no, he's trying to eat the monster. And the monster's like, bitch, fuck off. Oh my god. I know I need water for this. There it goes. According to the instructions, there's a fill line. And this one... What the fuck? No, there isn't.
Немного больше, чем пара минут спустя.
Oh wait, yeah, there is. Okay, we gotta fill it. Okay, that bitch is filled. Then we gotta take the cocaine. Okay, this is literally like making drugs. Demonetized? I think the fuck so. Let's just add the crack to the water. Okay, it's like getting really fucking foamy and it's fizzing. Kind of like what went on in my tits earlier. This is so fucking complicated. Can I just have my candy, please? See, we gotta mix the drugs, sell the drugs, and then use the money to buy candy. That's how this works. So the next bowl looks like this. There's a cute little star in it.
Hi, sisters.
Tag Jeffree Star in the comments, please. But yeah, we fill it up to that fill line and we add this fucking purple cocaine, whatever. Ooh, are you guys seeing that? The powder's like white, but it's turning pink. It's like turning into gel in the water. Like, this is going into my body. It's literally turning blue now. Okay, I'm fucking mixing it like the instructions telling me to, but they're these weird fucking diarrhea chunks that are still in the water. It's like really thick though. It smells like Skittles vomit. Imagine eating a whole pack of Skittles and fucking puking. What?
Hell no. Until the no.
Okay, when I mix it, it gets like all weird and like solidified. I just fucking dripped it on my desk. If I get ants after this, I'm gonna be so mad.
Hi, sisters. Hi, sisters. Hi, sisters.
I am fucking fuming!
So now we gotta add the first mixture to the fucking slime. Oh my god. It's turning pink too again. Look, it's turning pink. Okay, it almost spilled again. Yeah, and that was the final step. This is candy. We have candy now. Oh my fucking... Oh my god, I just dropped it on my desk. I thought the clumps would be gross as fuck, but honestly, the clumps are the best part. It tastes like carbonated cough medicine.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
It kind of does taste like chemicals, but like, I don't care. It'll give me superpowers or cancer. I don't know. The flavor.
Oh my god, it's so real.
I think our hands and our feet are done marinating. Ew. Oh god. Ew. It's just really greasy. This one is deflating very fast. I think, why don't we like pop one? Ow! Okay. My skin is literally fucking stretching. Oh my god. Ugh. It smells like an old sink. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but science. There's like liquid inside. I'm gonna pour it into this old thing. It's milk. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I certainly had a lot of fun fucking around with just everything. My personal favorite were the boobs, because when I squeezed them, you have no idea how they literally just went and I was like, sis, what? I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye.